Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you theory of chapter 4. Our chapter 4 is quadratic equations. So first of all, what is quadratic equation? Right? What is quadratic equation? So basic things for quadratic equation is degree 2. If degree of equation is equals to 2, then we can say that it is a quadratic equation. Okay, if degree is equals to 2, then it is quadratic equation. These things we already learned in theory of chapter 2, right? If we have degree 1, then it is linear equation. Degree 2, it is quadratic equation. Degree 3, it is cubic equation. Okay, now degree means what? It is highest power of variable, right? Degree is highest power of variable, right? Then standard form of quadratic equation, it is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a does not equals to 0. A is not equals to 0. Okay, because if a is equals to 0, then this term cancel, then only bx plus c, then degree becomes 1, and this is linear equation. Okay, so a cannot be 0. Here degree is equals to 2, highest power of variable. That means here we have variable x, so x square, so degree we have 2. That's why it is called quadratic equation, right? And in chapter 3 we learn about linear equations in two variable. Here this is a quadratic equation, and here we use only one variable. Okay, in chapter 3 we learn about two variables, linear equations in two variable. Here this is a quadratic equation, so we have degree 2, and we only use variable 1. Okay, now methods to solve the quadratic equation. Now solution of quadratic equation, that means we need to find the value of variable, right? Here we have only one variable, that is x. That means we need to find the value of x. Okay, it is called a solution of quadratic equation. That means we need to find the value of variable, it is x. And we already learned one thing in chapter 2, that is degree is equals to maximum number of zeros, right? Zeros, that means solution. Zeros and solution of equation both are same. Okay, zeros of polynomial, otherwise solution of quadratic equation, otherwise roots of equation, all are same. Okay, now here this is a quadratic equation, we have degree 2, so maximum we can get 2 solution. That means maximum we can find 2 value of x. Okay, so here we get 2 value. Okay, here we have degree is equals to 2, so we get 2 solution. That means we can find value 2 value of x. Now total 3 methods we have. First method is factorization method, second is completing the square method, and third one is discriminant method. Okay, we will learn this method in our exercise. Okay, I will explain you these methods directly in the exercise. Okay, after that, standard form of quadratic equation, it is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now in third method, that means discriminant d method, how can we find discriminant d? Discriminant is represented by d. Okay, d is equals to b square minus 4abc. Okay, formula of d, it is b square minus 4abc. Now from the standard form we can find the value of a, b and c. A, that means coefficient of x square, b, that means coefficient of x, and c is our constant term. Okay, so discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac. After that, we can find the roots of quadratic equation. That means solution of quadratic equation. That means value of x. Okay. First of all, we will find the d. After that, we can find the roots. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root d by 2a. So here we get two solution. Okay. Minus b. Now plus or minus. So one time plus and one time minus. So minus b minus under root d by 2a. Okay, so x is equals to minus b plus under root d by 2a, and second x is equals to minus b minus under root d by 2a. Okay, so we get this two solutions. Okay, we can find two value from the quadratic equation. Okay, so we will use this formula. Then next topic is nature of roots. How can we find the nature of roots? We can find the nature of root by finding out discriminant d. Okay, if our d is greater than 0, if our d, that means b square minus 4ac, is greater than 0, then we can say that two distinct real roots are possible. Two distinct real roots are possible. Distinct means two different roots. Okay, we can find two different value of x. Okay, real roots, we can find the real roots, otherwise we can find the imaginary roots, but right now we only learn about real roots. Imaginary roots, that we will learn in standard 11 science subject mathematics. Okay, we can find the real roots and imaginary roots. Imaginary roots we will learn in standard 11, and here we will find the real roots. Okay, so if d is equals to greater than 0, that means we can find two different real roots. Okay, if our d is equals to 0, if our d is equals to 0, then two equal and real roots are possible. That means here we will get two roots, but both roots are same. Okay, if d is equals to 0, then we get two equal roots. Okay, and real roots. And if d is less than 0, then no real roots are possible. So we cannot find the real roots. Okay, in that situation we can find the imaginary roots, but right now it is not in our syllabus, right? So no real roots are possible. You need to notice one thing, that is no real roots. Okay, it does not mean that no roots are possible. Roots are possible, but it is imaginary. So we need to write like this: no real roots are possible. This word is necessary, real. Okay, no real roots are possible. In second condition, d is equals to 0. Our formula is minus b plus or minus under root d by 2a. If this d becomes 0, then under root d is equals to 0, right? Then plus or minus 0 means same. So alternately we get the solution minus b by 2a. Okay, because this part becomes 0, so we get only one solution, minus b by 2a. Okay, that's why we can say that two equal roots are possible. Okay, so if d greater than 0, then two distinct real roots are possible. If d is equals to 0, then two equal and real roots are possible. And if d less than 0, then no real roots are possible. Here our theory part is complete. If you have any doubt, so just write down in comment section. Okay, thank you.